Well, hello there everyone. I hope you're all okay. I hope that you're looking forward to Christmas. I know I aren't, but that's just me. It has a lot of personal meanings for me at this moment. Anyway, we're doing another taste test and it's from Lidl again, and it's a deluxe 10-piece king prawn selection. And there it is. There are 3 bubble tempura king prawns, battered tail-on king prawns covered with tempura bubbles. There are 3 mango and coconut torpedo king prawns with coconut and mango flavour. And there are 4 sweet chilli bubble tempura king prawns in a sweet chilli batter. So it'll be very interesting to see what these are like. Again from Lidl. There's the nutritional information, should anyone wish to read it. Feel free to pause the video and read the nutritions. And they all look pretty much the same. And there they are, look. There they are, the 10-piece king prawn bubble selection. So, we'll have a go. There's one of them. As I say, I have no idea what this will be until I bite into it. I think that will be just the straightforward one. I can't taste any particular spice in it. And I've no desire to eat the tail like some food reviewers do. Mentioning no names, here we are again with the bubble batter. As you can see, there's a prawn inside. The texture of these is absolutely lovely. The bubble batter, again, it's beautiful. £1.99 from Lidl. Oven cooked 200 or fan 180 for 14 to 16 minutes. Do not reheat, and once opened, used within 24 hours. But they, so far, are absolutely beautiful. Right, let's see what this one is. There's a different type now. And I assume that must be the mango and coconut. I can't taste the coconut, but there's certainly no chilli. The batter on these is stunning. Can you see the bubbles? It's absolutely beautiful. And the prawns inside, well, the divine, absolutely divine. The texture of the batter combined with the flavour of the prawn, just absolutely stunning. And for £1.99 from Lidl, a perfect accompaniment to any Christmas party. There's another one, look. I've got to be honest, they are beautiful. If you like seafood, which I do, and I know a lot of people don't, but these, wow, they're just amazing. There's a guy called Bald Foodie Guy, and he gets thousands and thousands of watchers, and I honestly don't know why. Am I jealous? Yes, maybe I am. But he eats the tails and everything, man, and it's not good. For £1.99, these are absolutely incredible. Absolutely beautiful. I give them a 10 out of 10 all day long. And once again, the Lidl Deluxe brand, can't knock it, can't knock it. I know a lot of people like to mock and laugh at Lidl. Maybe they ought to go. As I can tell you for sure, you'd be paying triple this amount in Tesco and Morrison's. Look at that again. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I can't think of any other words for them. I'm so glad that I bought these. Wow. There they are again, look. And I really hope that they continue to sell these after Christmas. Don't even know how they do it at the price. Here's the last one, number 10. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's a shame you don't have taste vision or smelly vision. 100% once again, Deluxe. Lidl, well done. Unbelievable. They are, I'm sorry to keep saying it, stunning. Everyone like the t-shirt? I've had a few comments about the t-shirts that I wear. And this one is from a band from Dewsbury in West Yorkshire, where I live. And it's a band called Narcotic Death. And clearly by the name it's death metal. Well worth a listen if you're into that kind of thing. And at that point I'm going to say again, thank you all so much for watching. You've been a source of inspiration over this last 12 months. It's been a very trying time for everyone once again, I realise that. Very, very difficult times. So thank you so much for joining me on this journey that I keep going on. Be it the food, the walks, the poetry, the art, whichever branch you prefer to follow. Thank you. Please feel free to subscribe. Get your friends to subscribe. It costs nothing and it helps the channel. Click like if you've liked it. Please feel free to leave a comment below in the comment box and hit the bell icon for any further uploads. And thank you so much once again. Namaste.